So I parked my truck into the garage last night, and I did not park it in all the way. So it broke the bracket of the garage. So I'm going to attempt to weld it back in place. A few months ago I purchased this welder at Harbor Freight Tool. This is my second time using it. So I'm gonna say I got my money's worth, and I'm happy with it. So yeah, I'm not the best welder in the world, so I wasn't close enough to the metal. That's why it keeps on popping the way it's popping. But hey, I learn as I go. So here's a close-up of the weld. It weld, in my opinion, nicely together. So the bracket didn't pop. It works. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.